Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 6 Windermere Road. This 3-bedroom mid-terrace property located close to Moseley and close to Moseley Bog as well. Lovely area for walking. So moving into the property, we've got a hallway here with staircase leading up to the first floor. And then there we can look back there at the front door. And moving through to the open plan lounge and dining room. This property really offering a lovely condition. We've got the bay window with stained glass features there at the top. And open plan with the dining area here, where we have a view across the rear aspects. And we also have the built-in under stairs storage cupboard here on the right hand side. And moving through to the kitchen, where we have integrated eye level double oven and inset gas hob. And we've also got the integrated dishwasher and fridge freezer as well. And then moving through, we've got the rear lobby stroke utility area with space and plumbing for washing appliances, and also the stable door which leads out to the lean-to area. And then through to the bathroom, where we have the inset WC, wash basin with cupboard below, and also we have the bath with shower above. Again, lovely condition here in this room. Moving out to the side of the property, we have a covered lean-to area, again really useful, which then leads through to the rear garden. And then up onto the first floor, where we have 3 bedrooms and the WC here on the landing as well. And we can just see the loft access point above us there. So up on here we've got the WC and wash basin with extractor fan. And through to the main bedroom, here at the front of the property. Lovely spacious room with a built-in wardrobe here as well. And then moving through to bedroom number 2. This room here having an aspect to the rear of the property. And then through to the third bedroom here at the rear of the house. Really quite a good size here for a third bedroom. Into the garden, and we have a flagged patio area, which then leads on to the lawned garden, where we have fence boundaries and gated access there to the rear. And that concludes the online viewing for the property. So if you would like any further information, then please do give us a call, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.